Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today our topic is to create a B-roll videos. What is B-roll video? I will explain during the video. Let's start our video. Kindly share my videos and subscribe my channel if you like my content. Let's start the video. Click on videos. This is as usual our canvas, and we will select any video. You can select your own vlog video or any video you want to change or edit like a roll or b roll. And similarly, I haven't any video right this time, so I will select from the library of Canva any video, like I will select vlog video. I have select this video. Now this is our main video, and sometimes we need a video like a in a corner or in the bottom to explain the things clearly. So in this video I will show you how you can create a b-roll video. Like you can select any other video, um, something processing of food. Here there is a three dots. You can click on this and scroll down and click on show timing. This is showing the time, and I want to show the video in the middle of the video. Then I have to this. If this video has an audio, then we can go there. Right now this video has no sound, so that's why audio tab is showing gray. And if you have an audio, then you can click on audio and mute the background audio of this here, like this, only in this space. Okay, I will go to animate and appear on a presentation set. I selected pan, animation, and I will select on reverse exit animation as well. Okay, now you can see the result. In the reverse, there is another method to appear the video like a rounded shape, like here. I want to add another video here, but in another shape. So first of all, I will go to frame. I will select rounded frame. I want to put this frame here. Now I have to select any video. Here is appearing like this. You can also give the border, and also you can change the shade of border. Give the animation. This video has an audio. Go to audio and mute the volume. So you have clearly seen that this video hasn't an audio, and the audio button was gray, and this video has audio, and at that time this tab or button is black, and I mute with the audio of this video. Now you can see the results of the final video. This is all about B-roll video. This is the way in which you can make your videos stunning, and these B-roll videos normally use when we explain things like lectures, like an explanatory videos. Hope you will like the video. If you like the video, then share my videos and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz till my next video. Allah Hafiz.